Every time your phone finishes a sentence for you, an app recommends the exact show you were about to search for, or your email quietly filters out junk before you even see it. You're using artificial intelligence, whether you noticed it or not. Most people can't actually explain what that term means. By the end of this video, you will be able to. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broad field of building computer systems that can perform tasks which normally require human thinking. That includes recognizing patterns, understanding language, making predictions, and solving problems. AI is not one single technology, it is the goal. Different techniques, which we will cover in the next 2 videos, are how that goal actually gets built. Older software followed fixed rules that a programmer wrote by hand. If this exact condition happens, do this exact thing. Modern AI works differently. Instead of being told every rule in advance, it learns patterns from examples. That shift from fixed rules to learning from data is what separates most older software from what we now call artificial intelligence. We've almost certainly used AI today without thinking about it. Spam filters that keep junk out of your inbox. Voice assistants that understand a spoken question. Navigation apps that predict traffic before you hit it. Streaming services that recommend what to watch next. None of that is science fiction. It is ordinary software, working quietly in the background of things you already use. Here is the biggest misconception. Artificial intelligence does not mean robots, and it does not mean the system is conscious or thinking the way a person does. Almost all AI in use today is what's called narrow AI. Built to do one type of task, well, like filtering spam or recognizing a face in a photo. It is not general intelligence that understands the world the way a human does. In an everyday workplace, this shows up as spell check and grammar tools, spam filtering on your email, scheduling assistants that suggest meeting times, and expense tools that automatically categorize a receipt. None of it looks dramatic, and that is actually the point. Good AI tends to blend into tools you already use, rather than replacing them outright. Artificial intelligence is the umbrella goal, teaching machines to perform tasks that normally need human thinking. It is not magic, and it is not consciousness. It is pattern recognition and prediction, applied at a large scale. Next, we will look at machine learning, the technique that makes most modern AI actually work.